Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Samsung QLED TV service menu. This method will work on all latest Samsung TVs like 7 series and 8 series. Watch the video complete, don't skip any part, subscribe our channel. Now I'll show you how to open its service menu. First of all, power off TV from remote. Then you have to press the following key combination: mute, 1, A, 2 and power key. This will reboot your TV and open its service menu on the screen. Guys, if this code doesn't work, I will share a video link in the description that have 8 different codes on how to open Samsung TV's service menu. Also watch that. In the service menu, you can do many settings like factory reset, display settings and network settings that are not present in the normal menu. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.